Once upon a sunny morning, Sarah woke up with excitement bubbling inside her. She stretched her arms, yawned, and glanced out the window to see the bright rays of the sun kissing the leaves of the trees outside. Today was the day she had been eagerly waiting for, the start of her summer vacation. As Sarah jumped out of bed, she could feel the warmth of the summer sun streaming through her window. She hurriedly got dressed in her favorite shorts and a colorful t-shirt, ready for a day full of adventure. After gobbling down her breakfast, she dashed downstairs where her parents were waiting for her. "Good morning, sweetie," her mom greeted her with a smile. "Morning, Mom." "Morning, Dad," Sarah chirped, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Her dad grinned. "Are you ready for our summer trip, Sarah?" "Absolutely," she exclaimed, her heart pounding with anticipation. They had been planning this trip for weeks. Their destination? A picturesque seaside town called Sandy Shores. Sarah had heard wonderful stories about its golden beaches, clear blue waters, and charming coastal cottages. She couldn't wait to explore every corner of the quaint town. With their bags packed and the car loaded, they set off on their journey. Sarah gazed out of the window as they drove through winding roads, passing lush green fields and towering mountains. The journey itself felt like an adventure, with every turn revealing a new and beautiful landscape. After a few hours of driving, they finally arrived at Sandy Shores. Sarah's eyes widened in amazement as she caught her first glimpse of the sparkling ocean stretching out before her. The salty breeze tousled her hair, and she could hear the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore. "We're here," her dad announced cheerfully, pulling into the parking lot of their cozy beachside cottage. Sarah couldn't wait to explore their new home for the next week. As they unpacked their bags and settled in, she noticed the colorful shells and driftwood decorations adorning the walls, giving the cottage a warm and welcoming feel. Once they were all settled, Sarah wasted no time in heading straight to the beach. She kicked off her shoes and let the soft sand squish between her toes as she ran towards the water. The cool waves lapped at her feet, and she giggled with delight as she felt the refreshing splash. For the rest of the day, Sarah and her family soaked up the sun on the beach, building sandcastles, collecting seashells, and splashing in the waves. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, painting the sky with shades of pink and orange, they retreated back to their cottage, tired but happy. The next morning, Sarah woke up early, eager to continue her exploration of Sandy Shores. After a hearty breakfast, they set out to discover more of the town's hidden treasures. They wandered through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with quaint shops and colorful cafes, each one beckoning them to come inside and explore. Sarah's eyes lit up as she spotted an old-fashioned ice cream parlor with a sign that read "The Scoop Shack." She tugged on her parents' sleeves, begging them to stop for a sweet treat. They couldn't resist her puppy dog eyes, so they stepped inside and ordered an assortment of delicious ice cream flavors. With ice cream cones in hand, they continued their stroll through the town, stopping to admire the beautiful gardens and historic landmarks along the way. Sarah felt like she was walking through a storybook, each page filled with wonder and enchantment. As the days passed, Sarah and her family immersed themselves in all that Sandy Shores had to offer. They went on boat rides, exploring hidden coves and secret caves along the coastline. They hiked through lush forests, marveling at the diverse wildlife and breathtaking views. One day, they decided to visit a nearby lighthouse that stood proudly atop a rugged cliff overlooking the sea. Sarah's heart raced with excitement as they climbed to the top, the wind whipping through her hair as she took in the panoramic views. From high above, she could see the entire town spread out below, a patchwork of colorful rooftops and winding streets. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the landscape, Sarah felt a sense of peace and contentment wash over her. This summer trip had been everything she had hoped for and more, a journey filled with laughter, discovery, and unforgettable memories. As they prepared to leave Sandy Shores and head back home, Sarah couldn't help but feel a twinge of sadness. She would miss the sandy beaches, the salty sea air, and the feeling of freedom that came with exploring a new place. But she knew that she would carry the spirit of adventure with her wherever she went, and that the memories of this magical summer would stay with her forever. With a final wave goodbye to sandy shores, Sarah climbed into the car, her heart full of gratitude for the wonderful experiences she had shared with her family. As they drove off into the distance, she knew that this was just the beginning of many more adventures to come. And wherever the road may lead, she would always cherish the summer she spent in sandy shores, a place where dreams came true and memories were made to last a lifetime. As the days grew longer and the warm summer sun continued to shine, Sarah found herself reminiscing about her unforgettable trip to sandy shores. The memories of sandy beaches, salty sea air, and carefree days spent exploring the charming coastal town filled her heart with joy. But little did she know, another exciting adventure was about to unfold. One lazy afternoon, Sarah's mom surprised her with an announcement. "Guess what, sweetie? We have another trip planned for this summer." Sarah's eyes widened in excitement. "Really? Where are we going this time?" her mom beamed. "We're going on a camping trip to the Great Forest National Park." Sarah's heart skipped a beat. She had always dreamed of sleeping under the stars, surrounded by the sounds of nature. The thought of roasting marshmallows around a crackling campfire and hiking through lush green forests filled her with anticipation. The next day, they packed their camping gear into the car and set off on their journey to the Great Forest National Park. The drive was long but scenic, with towering trees and rolling hills stretching out as far as the eye could see. Sarah pressed her nose against the window, eager to catch a glimpse of any wildlife that might cross their path. After a few hours of driving, they arrived at the entrance to the national park. Sarah's eyes widened in amazement as she took in the breathtaking beauty of the towering trees and shimmering lakes that surrounded them. She could feel the excitement bubbling inside her as they drove deeper into the forest, leaving behind the hustle and bustle of city life. Finally, they arrived at their campsite, a secluded spot nestled among the trees, with a babbling brook nearby and a clear view of the starry sky above. Sarah's heart swelled with happiness as she helped her parents set up their tent and unpack their supplies. Once everything was in order, they set out to explore the wonders of the Great Forest National Park. They hiked along winding trails, marveling at the towering trees and colorful wildflowers that lined the path. Sarah's senses were alive with the sights and sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle babble of the brook. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, they returned to their campsite and built a roaring fire. Sarah giggled with delight as she roasted marshmallows on a stick, watching as they turned golden brown and gooey. They sat around the fire, sharing stories and laughter as the flames danced in the darkness. That night, Sarah lay in her sleeping bag, gazing up at the star-studded sky above. She felt a sense of peace and wonder wash over her as she listened to the symphony of sounds that surrounded her, the hooting of owls, the distant howl of a wolf, and the rustling of leaves in the breeze. The next day, they set out to explore more of the national park, venturing deeper into the heart of the forest. They stumbled upon hidden waterfalls cascading down moss-covered rocks, and crystal-clear lakes reflecting the vibrant colors of the surrounding foliage. Sarah felt like she was living in a fairy tale, each moment more magical than the last. As they hiked along a narrow trail, they suddenly came upon a clearing bathed in sunlight. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic old oak tree, its branches reaching up towards the sky like outstretched arms. Sarah felt a sense of reverence wash over her as she approached the tree, feeling its ancient presence fill her with a sense of awe. With a burst of energy, Sarah climbed up into the branches of the oak tree, feeling the rough bark beneath her fingertips as she ascended higher and higher. From her lofty perch, she could see the entire forest spread out below, a vast sea of green stretching out as far as the eye could see. As the days passed, Sarah and her family continued to explore the wonders of the Great Forest National Park, each day bringing new adventures and discoveries. They swam in crystal-clear lakes, picnicked beside bubbling brooks, and watched in awe as deer and other wildlife wandered past their campsite. But all too soon, their time in the national park came to an end. As they packed up their campsite and said goodbye to the towering trees and shimmering lakes, Sarah felt a twinge of sadness in her heart. She would miss the peace and tranquility of the forest, the feeling of being one with nature. But as they drove away from the national park and back towards civilization, Sarah knew that the memories of their camping trip would stay with her forever. And as she looked forward to the adventures that lay ahead, she felt a sense of gratitude for the beauty and wonder of the natural world, a world that would always hold a special place in her heart.